you should attend open houses, the ultimate real estate adventure. So you're thinking about buying a home? Congratulations! But wait, before you dive into the deep end of mortgage rates and square footage, let's talk about one of the most underrated and fun aspects of house hunting: open houses. Number 1, free snacks and socializing. First, let's address the elephant in the room: free snacks. Who doesn't love walking into a beautifully staged home and being greeted by the smell of freshly baked cookies? It's like a treasure hunt. But instead of gold doubloons, you find chocolate chip cookies. Plus, you get to mingle with other potential buyers, which is basically like speed dating, but for real estate. You'll bond over your shared dreams of owning a cozy nook and your mutual disdain for wallpaper from the 1970s. Number 2, get a real feel for the space. Scrolling through pictures online is great, but nothing beats stepping foot in a home. You'll experience the layout, the flow, and the oh-so-important vibe. Is it a cozy cottage or a carnivorous maze? Does the kitchen give you warm, inviting feels, or does it scream, "I'm too big to clean"? An open house is your chance to connect or disconnect with the space in a way that photos can't capture. Number 3, spy on other buyers. Let's be honest, if you've ever attended an open house, you've probably played the unofficial game of spot the buyer. It's fascinating. Observe how people react to the home. Some might ooh and ah over the marble countertops, while others wrinkle their noses at the shag carpet. It's like watching a live performance of House Hunters. Plus, you'll get insider tips on what's in demand and what's not, like avoiding that second bathroom with questionable wallpaper. Number 4, meet the agent or agent ninja. Open houses are a goldmine for meeting real estate agents. This is your chance to see if they're more than just a pretty face or a snazzy suit. You'll want someone who can navigate the wild world of home buying like a ninja. Ask them questions. What's the neighborhood like? How many other offers have they seen? Can they help you with your Pinterest board of dream home ideas? Okay, maybe not that last one. House goal inspiration is number 5. Whether you're looking for a starter home or your forever castle, open houses are the perfect place to gather inspiration. Notice how they've staged the living room or what color they painted that cozy reading nook. You'll leave with a brain full of ideas of your future home, assuming you don't get sidetracked by the aforementioned cookies. Number 6, the no-pressure environment. Unlike a formal showing with your agent, open houses have a laid-back vibe. You can wander freely without the pressure of making a decision on the spot. Want to spend an extra 5 minutes admiring that gorgeous bathtub? Go for it. Feel like taking a selfie with the fireplace? Why not? Open houses are about exploration, not commitment. Unless you find your dream home, of course. Number 7, finding hidden gems. Sometimes the best homes aren't the ones with the flashiest listings online. They're charming houses that you might overlook while scrolling. An open house can reveal unexpected gems that might just be your perfect fit. Like that cozy bungalow with a huge backyard that wasn't even on your radar. You never know until you check it out. Number 8, making real estate friends. Finally, attending open houses is a great way to expand your real estate network. Who knows? You might meet other buyers, neighbors, or even local vendors who can help you with renovations down the road. It's all about building your circle of influence, one cookie at a time. So in conclusion, there you have it. Open houses are more than just a chance to peek into somebody else's home. They're an adventure waiting to happen. Whether you're there for the snacks, the inspiration, or the thrill of house hunting, attending open houses is a must-do for every home buyer. So grab a friend, head out, and embrace the world of real estate with a sprinkle of fun. Happy hunting!